Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A32, and today I will show you how you can clean your USB-C charging port. So you have to prepare some kind of the thin object, like this one, the good source of light to see what is inside. Let's make it like that. Then I will zoom to show you how it looks inside. And in most cases, inside you can find just dust. So let's put this indicator right here and then make gently moves to remove everything that is inside. Don't break anything. Remember, you can move from both sides. Whoa, there's a big part of the dust. It's still stuck inside. Okay, there we go. So I just wonder if there's something inside here more. I think that's all. So yeah, as you can see, it was very easy, very fast, and definitely it was simply. So right now we can easily plug charger and use our phone normally like it was before. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.